Good afternoon, my dear students. Today we're going to handle another class for Math 6112. This is College Trigonometry. Today we're going to discuss your applications of Trigonometry 1, which is under week 11. Today is November 19, 2021. Our schedule is 1:10 to 2:40 p.m. So we have now your module 9, which is all about law of sines. In the previous module, we looked at the ways by which we can solve right triangle. To know the measures of the other parts of the right triangle given the measures of some parts. So we have before last week that we're going to solve for a right triangle is to find the unknown parts. And this could be done at least there are two given parts, at least one of them is assigned. So in this module, the next, we'll look at how to solve triangles and do not have a right angle. Tawag po natin doon is oblique triangles. At the end of this module, you are expected to first know the law of sines. 2. Know the cases where the law of sines is applicable. 3. Use the law of sines to solve an oblique triangle. So this is now your law of sine. For the derivation of the law of sine, consider the oblique triangle shown below. So this is your oblique triangle composed of the three angles A, B, and C, and you have your side A, B, and C. Okay? So let us drop a perpendicular from vertex C to side AB. We designate the length of this segment as h or your height, no? So hatiin po natin siya, yung oblique triangle po natin, in order for us to form two right angle or two right triangle. Okay? So, next. Now we have two right triangle. Considering the right triangle at the left, we have the equation. So, this your left triangle. We're going to make use of your sine of your angle B. Opposite side is h. Then, hypotenuse side is equal to A. And also with your right triangle. Sine of your angle A, the opposite side is your h, and your hypotenuse side is your side B. Ito siya, no? Isolating h in both equations, we have h on the left triangle, we have A sine B, and h in the right triangle, we have B sine A. So your h on the right triangle is the same h in your left triangle. So using the transitive property of equality, A sine B is equal to your B sine A. So rearranging the equation, we have A, side A is the sine of your angle A, is equal to your B, sine of your angle B. Also, if you drop a perpendicular from a different vertex, we will get another equation similar to the equation we get above. So if we're going to have dito at vertex A, we're going to form two right triangle. So this is another triangle, this is another right triangle, no? And if we're going to equate that, the same procedure as what we have, then sabi dito, we're going to get the same answer just like that we have before. So we have A is the sine of your angle A is equal to your C, sine of your angle C. Combining the two equations, we have now the law of sines. So these are the definitions of law of sines. Given an oblique triangle with angles A, B, and C, such that, okay, it says that the opposite them are the sides with measures A, B, and C, such as the one shown below. So this is now your law of sine formula. Your side A is the sine of your angle A is equal to your side B is the sine of your angle B is equal to your side C is the sine of your angle C. Okay? So you can equate this to equation. You can equate this to equation, or you can equate this to equation. So that's the way how we're going to apply the law of sines. Next, using the law of sine in solving oblique triangle. So the law of sines can be used to solve an oblique triangle with the following situations. We have your SAA, given two angles and the side opposite one of them. Okay? So we have your side, angle, angle. Then we have also your ASA, given two angles and the included angle. Okay? Included side. So ito yung included side, yung nasa gitna. So we have now our application. Solve the triangle below. So we have your three angles A, B, and C. For this oblique triangle, there are two given. Angle, your angle A is equal to 40, angle B is equal to 80 degrees, and your side B is equal to 12. So we're going to look for the side A, side C, and angle C, the remaining parts of the oblique triangle. Solution, this is SAA case, no? The easiest way to solve for is the measure of the third angle, since the sum of the integral angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. We have 80, your angle A, plus your angle B, plus your angle C is always 180 degree. So therefore, your angle C is equivalent to 60 degrees. Then we solve for a side A. By using the law of sine, we're going to equate that equation. A is the sine of your angle A is equal to your B, sine of your angle B. By cross multiplication, we have now your A is equal to 12 sine 40 divided by sine 80. By using your calculator, your A will be approximately equal to 7.83. And for the last unknown, that is your side C, we're going to equate your two equation. Ito, no? Equate natin itong dalawa. So we have now C is the sine of your angle 60 degrees is equal to your 12 sine of 180 degree. By cross multiplication, side C now will be 12 sine 60 degrees divided by sine 80 degrees. By using your calcu, your side C is approximately 10.55. So those are now the remaining parts of the oblique triangle. You have your angle C, 60 degrees, side A, 7.83, side C is equal to 10.55. We have your another example, no? Solve the triangle below. We have your angle A, angle B, angle C. But by this time, these are the given. Your angle B is equal to 70 degrees. Your angle C is 100 degrees. And also, your side A is equal to 8. So we're going to look for the angle A, side B, and side C. Sabi dito, this time we have the ASA, angle side angle case, since you are given two angles and the measure of the included side. Again, it is easy to solve for the third angle by using our knowledge of the sum of the angles in the triangle. So we have your angle C, angle B plus angle C plus angle A is equal to 180 degree. So with that, your angle A is equal to 10 degrees. Next, now that we know the measure of angle A, we can use the law of sine to solve for the remaining parts. By this time, first you're going to hold your side C. Side C, so sine of your angle C is equal to your A, sine of your angle A. By cross multiplication, Side C is equal to your 8 sine 100 divided by sine 10 degrees. So your side C is equal to 45.37. Next, for the side B, B is the sine of your angle B is equal to your 8 sine of your angle A. So again, by cross multiplication, side B is equal to your 8 sine 70 degrees divided by sine 10 degrees. So therefore, side B is equal to 43.29. So those are now the example and the given condition in solving oblique triangle using law of sine. Okay? So we have your last problem. The angle of elevation to the top C of a building from 2 points A and B on the level ground are 50 degrees and 6 degrees respectively. The distance between points A and B is 30 meters. Points A, B, and C are in the same vertical plane. Find the height edge of the building. Round off your answer to the nearest unit. So this is now our illustration. This is now the top of the building. It says that there are two given angles. That is now the angle of elevation. Pag nandito po yung line of sight po natin, ang tawag po na doon, nakapoint po siya dito. That's our angle of elevation. So there are two angle of elevations. Okay? We have 50 and 60. So, pag nandito naman yung angle po natin, ang tawag po doon is the angle of depression. Okay? Next, sabi dito, okay? So, the distance between points A and B is 30 meters. Ito po. Points A, B, and C are in the same vertical plane. Find the height of the building. Okay? So we have 50 and 60 degrees, no? Not 6 degrees. It is 60 degrees. Okay? So we're going to solve for the height of the building. Okay? So we consider triangle A, B, and C. So triangle A, B, and C. Okay? So we consider triangle ABC. Angle B is the internal to the triangle ABC is equal to, internal po, no? A, B, and C, no? So we have 180 minus 60 degrees is equal to 120 degrees, no? 180 minus 60 degrees is equal to, ito, no? 180 minus 60 is equal to 120. That's your angle B. Ito, no? Okay. Next, in the same triangle, angle C is given by C is equal to 180 minus 50 plus 120 is equal to 10 degrees. Yung nandito. Okay? So, using sine law to find the distance, D is to sine 50 is equal to 30 sine 10. Okay? So, by cross multiplication, side D is equal to 30 multiplied by sine 50 divided by sine 10. Okay? So, we now consider the right triangle. Sine 60 is equal to opposite, that is your height, then divided by D. Okay? So, from your right triangle, sine 60, okay? So, the opposite is your height, the hypotenuse is your D. So, we have solving for h is equal to your D multiplied by sine 60. Substitute D by the expression found above. So, h is equal to 30 multiplied by sine 50 multiplied by sine 60 divided by sine 10. By using your calculator to approximate value, the height of the building is equal to 115 meters. So that is now the height of our building. So that ends our discussion for today, which is all about the applications of trigonometry 1, which is all about law of sines. Thank you.